Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing an unboxing video. If you already don't know by the title, I'm going to be unboxing a ring light that I got from Amazon. I've been really going back and forth with getting a ring light because I've been looking at the reviews, and there's like good reviews and there's like bad reviews, and then once I find one, I see the bad reviews and I'm like, I don't want to get one anymore. So I'm like, I finally just got one. And it's not the one I wanted. The one I wanted was a lot of money, and I was like, I'm not about to buy all that because I don't know if it's going to be good or not because there's bad reviews. So I just got this one, and I'll link it down below, and I'll link the one that I wanted to get down below. It's the brand newer. I'll link that down below as well. So let's open it up. By the way, I ordered this on the 4th of January and it got here on the 7th, so that was good. Okay. So, oh, the brand is called, I don't know how to pronounce that. So this is kind of, ooh, y'all saw all that. Kind of what it looks like. Yep. Look at the box. Whoa. Move that out the way. Okay, let's see that one more time. That's what it looks like when it comes out the box. Ring light, 3 lighting colors, adjustable brightness, USB power supply, selfie remote control. Okay. Ooh. Come on now. Ooh. Do that. Come on. Wow. Okay. Tripod stand. Comes with a little booklet. Little package, little thing. Not happy? Our customer service team is here for you. Scan for fast customer service. A little scan if you're not happy with your purchase. Tripod stand. Oh wow, this is gonna be interesting. This has to be the ring light. Let me open it up. I'm excited. Oh wow. What the Okay, let's go change scenes and I'll put this thing together. Looks like a pizza box. I might keep this box. Is it just me, or do you like keeping boxes? Because I love keeping boxes. I love boxes. I just look a pizza box. I came up with an idea. I might do a little DIY with this box. It looks like a pizza box. DIY with it. Anyways, okay, first before we move on, I want to tell you everything that it comes with. So obviously the ring light that it comes with, then the tripod stand comes in this box, and then in this little baggie it comes with a ball head. This is the ball head thing. And then the flexible phone holder. Wait, sorry. What the heck? get an extra one? Oh, you get 2 of them? Oh, wait, do you? Oh, no, that goes with that. Okay. A flexible foam holder. This is what it looks like. Pretty sure it goes like this. I don't know, maybe like that. But that's that. And then you get a fixed phone holder. This attaches to this. And then you get a selfie remote control thing. Looks like this thing. And then this user manual. Okay. And then it has the instructions. More instructions, more instructions, more instructions. Okay. And this is the end result. So this is what I'm going to be doing. Alrighty. Now let's get started. Oh, and then it also says it has instructions for this thing, which it's funny because on my other tripod I got this and I still don't know how to use it. So if you have a tripod or a ring light that came with this, please put in the comments down below how do you use this, because I don't know how to use this. It says it on here, but we'll see. Okay, let's get started. So you can put this little extra piece, this what is it called? The fixed phone holder, this is what it's called. You can literally put this any way you want. You could put it vertically or horizontally. So if you're like filming a video, you can put it horizontally. I think that's horizontal. Is this horizontal? Anyways, or you could put it vertically if you are taking a picture. So it has literally screws this side and then screws on that side, so that's cool. It's adjustable and you can just twist it on there like that, or you can put it on the other side if you want to take a picture or a selfie. So that's cool. And and then this one, you put it, hold on, okay, this one is the phone holder and you can literally rotate it any way you want. Pretty sure this is how art rotates. And then you just put it right here for the video. It looks like you can take this off. I'm not sure what this is for. Oh! Cool. Oh. That's that. together, and I had to connect it to a I had to connect this little thing right here, this little remote control thing, to a USB power cord tool thing. I would show you, but like it's connected, and that's the only one you can turn it on. So basically what you do is, if you can see in the corner, you have to press the power, you have to press the power button. Right now it's blue, so it's charging, so you have to press the power button to turn it on, and so that's what I'm about to do. Oh my goodness. And then you press the up button to change the level, apparently. Oh, y'all see that? Oh. So now I'm about to test this out. I'm gonna turn off my lights, and then y'all gonna see the difference in quality. So let's get it. Okay, so right now I just turned off all the lights and no ring light. It's just my normal phone and then the normal tripod that I had for like a year. And now you guys are gonna see what it's like to have the ring light. Okay, so here's everything. Okay, remember this. I'm about to go back to the tripod. Okay, I have it hooked up. I have everything hooked up. Now I'm about to press the button. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. You guys notice any difference? Okay. Oh wow. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna bring the power down. I'll bring it back up. Oh my. Wow. Keep looking at myself. Sorry. Wow. Oh wow. The difference. It is a difference. This is nice. I really like it. I really like it a lot. Well guys, that was the unboxing. You also can put this on the skinniest part. Let me just show you guys. Okay guys, so you can put this on the skinniest part of the tripod adjustables. So basically it came like, it came like this close. I'm trying to show you guys how it came. It came closed in like this. It's hard to do how it came in. Oh, there we go. You have to do it, unscrew it, unscrew it, unscrew it. There we go. So it came like this, closed, and then you just take this little bar thing right here, this lever, undo it, and then it can open up, and then you clamp it onto the skinniest part of the adjustable, which is the top one right next to the ring light, and then you put the little lever thing back in here. You guys can see this little lever thing. You put it right back in to the hook so that it can close off. I'm going to put it back in there. Not sure if it'll do it. Maybe you have to do it a little bit more. So it gets tighter. Kind of close it. And then bam, you have it hooked up on there. And then basically you can just twist it this way, and then add this little hook here. You can, any way you want, you can do it this way. You can also do it this way if you want to take like some pictures. So yeah, this is the way you can have it, or you can also have it like your hook phone this way. Just let me push it back a little more so you guys can see. So you have one right here, and this is the one I did. You can twist it this way, bring it back down this way, or you can bring it up here, twist it this way, and bring it back down that way. And you can also have one right here. I don't know what I'm gonna need this one for. I'm gonna figure out, play around with this. My first time with this, so this is really fun. And you just turn on with the remote control right here and get some good lighting. Oh my gosh, I love this. Anyways, that is it with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like this ring light that I unboxed for you guys, I will link it down below, or it's already going to be linked down below. Hopefully I can find it. I can just look it back up. And the newer one, it's a brand called Newer, and that is like the expensive version. A lot of people got that one, but I'll link that one down below as well. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you're new, and if you're not, thank you for coming back and watching my video. And comment down below anything you want, you may wish to, anything, your concerns. Other than that, you guys stay fresh and so clean, and Happy New Year. It is the 8th, I believe, today. Yes, it's the 8th. So you guys enjoy your new year 2021. Hope you guys enjoy that. Tell me how it's going so far in the comments down below. Other than that, until next time, bye.